Hey there, third graders, it's Miss Nell. Hopefully you remembered how to get into Google. If not, you go to Gmail, type in your password. That's on your password card on your home folder. It's the @student.dodia.edu, and then the password is 12345QWER. I'm going to show you now, if you forgot, how to turn in an assignment in the Google Classroom. You're going to go to that waffle up here, and you're going to click on the Google Classroom, and you are going to see the Google Classroom, and you are going to click on, guess what? The Google Classroom. So once you are there, it should open up. Might take a minute, depending on your internet. And you are going to go to all those classrooms, but you're just going to go to Miss Nell's because I'm the coolest, but shh, don't tell anyone. Then you're going to see that I posted a new assignment today. It says add a Google Doc and type your first, middle, and last name. You are going to click on that. Then remember how we did it? We're going to do this add or create. You're going to type in and you're going to create a Google Doc. This is in Google Docs. Might take a minute to load one for you. Then you're going to type in your first, middle, and last name. Miss, maybe I'm typing. There it comes. I am Janet. Super cool. Nell. And I have done that. Then what do? Do I do that share? No, I'm not sharing it. I'm just turning it in. Turn it in. And turn it again. And boom. Oh, you guys are done. And that is how you go to your Google Classroom and you turn in an assignment. For some reason my mouse is going, and you'll see it should change from assigned. Nope, I gotta turn it in again. I don't know what's going on with my mouse. I got a little craziness here. But you should go from assigned up in that corner. My mouse is acting weird and I don't know why. I'll try it again. It didn't work. I'm going to try it one more time. I'm going to open up that document again if it didn't work. And I'm having some crazy mouse issues. There, it stopped. And that will happen sometimes. And I don't know why this crazy mouse issue is happening. So you'll have to forgive Miss Nell. But again, you're going to go to that turn in document. Oh, there's some kind of error there. Turn in. And it should turn in one more time. I got it before my mouse. I don't know why it's doing that crazy thing, maybe because I'm recording at school. And you see it will say turned in. So that is how you do it. Please have your parents email me if you have any trouble. Have a great night, kiddos. Miss you. Bye.